If you have a FamilySearch account but are unable to open your account due to losing your username or password, then don't worry, in this video we will tell you about the easy steps on how to recover your FamilySearch account quickly and easily. So, without wasting more time, let's start the video. Welcome to Family Tree Maker Support, the best place for genealogy program support. If you lost your FamilySearch account information, then you can get it using the website, mobile app, or Family Tree Lite. The steps are the same for all, so let's check how to recover your account easily. To recover your FamilySearch account, first open FamilySearch.org on your computer or laptop and click on Sign In button given to the top right side corner. Click on Forgot Username or Password. As you click on Forgot Username and Password, it will redirect you to a new window. Select the recovery option. You can select mobile or email. Click on the checkbox if you don't remember your password, otherwise leave it. Click on the OK button. If you choose mobile as the recovery option, then you will get a message with the instructions. And if you select the mail option for recovery, then you will get an email to your given mail ID with the instructions. Follow the instructions and easily reset your username and password to your FamilySearch account. This is how you can easily recover your FamilySearch account. To get instant help, call the toll-free number 1-800-697-1474. I hope you liked this video. Please share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching the video.